Muebles. Sofá. Cama. Sillón. Silla. Mesa. Mesa de café. Armario. Estantería. Espejo. Lámpara.
What does mesa mean in English? That's right, it means table. What about silla? It means chair. But do you know what puerta means? It means door. How about ventana? Yes, it means window. And lámpara? It means lamp. And this one, cama? Exactly, it means bed. Do you know what espejo means? It means mirror. And what about armario? That's right, it means wardrobe. How about estanteria? It means shelf. And sofá? It means sofa. Do you know what alfombra means? It means carpet. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And reloj? It means clock.
Armario. Perchero. Zapatero. Escritorio. Estantería. Cama. Mesita de noche. Mesa. Sofá.